Muli magandang umaga po sa lahat.
Magandang umaga rin po, Father.
Salamat sa dakilang araw na ito, St. John the Baptist Day, araw ng Maynila, araw ng San Juan, Basaan Day sa San Juan. This is a solemnity. Pag solemnity, I believe in, meron glory to God in the highest, the Gloria na tinatawag. Tapos pagkatapos nito, yung I believe in God. It is like a Sunday. It is how important this day is. Sinabi sa Ebanghelyo, there is no man that came out of a womb greater than John the Baptist. Ganyong katindi ang papel ni Juan Bautista. At 3 birthday lang ang pinagdiriwang sa simbahan, si Jesus, si Maria, at si Juan Bautista. All the other dates, as we celebrate feast days, are death days. Ang unang araw sa langit. That is our death day. Kaya we do not know if ever we have a feast day, when our feast day will be sa araw ng ating kamatayan, yun ating kapistahan. So only the 3 have birthdays and all the others are death days. And we thank God today as we honor one of them, St. John the Baptist. Ganyong katindi. So ngayon, pag dumating ang birthday ni Juan Bautista, we count 6 months and then we celebrate the birthday of Jesus. So we prepare for Christmas pag dumating na ang San Juan Bautista. 6 months after, so it is Christmas in June. He points to Jesus. Si Juan Bautista laging tinuturo lang si Jesus. Pinaghahandaan ang dadaanan ng Panginoon. We know how miraculous the birth of John the Baptist is. Yung nanay niya, si Elizabeth. The word Elizabeth means God's promise. Ang pangako sa atin ng Panginoon, hindi mababali. Sigurado, it will come. Akala natin late, pero it will come. There is no such thing as late. Everything in God's own good time. The promise to Elizabeth, the promise to all of us, will come. Sigurado. It will come. In His time, in His perfect timing, God knows what is best. Ang kanyang tatay, si Zacarias, ang pangalan, God remembers. He will always remember. Hindi tayo makakalimutan. So he was named. Nung pinanganak si John, sabi, ang pangalan niya, Zechariah Jr. Sabi niya, hindi. Ang pangalan niya will be John, which means God is gracious. God is very gracious to us. I hope we see that. He's very, very gracious. So what is in a name? We all know Jesus means God saves. We all have our names. We try to remember what's the significance of the name. So, nung naghahanda nga ako dito, itong mga pangalan, i-google nyo yung pangalan nyo, lalabas. Ginugol ko, ngayon ko na nakita, yung pangalan ng tatay ko is Quirino. Ginugol ko, anong sabihin ng Quirino, di ba? It's a spear. Parang sibat, tapos, my mother's name is Carmen. I googled, what is Carmen? It is a garden. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, yung mga pangalan natin, merong i-google nyo, makikita nyo ano ibig sabihin ng pangalan. May dahilan. What is in a name? A name given to us by God. No family names. In heaven, we will be remembered by our first names. No family names. And we thank God for the names the good Lord has given us. May dahilan. What can this child be? Let us remember the names given us by our parents. There is reason we have this name. May we relish this name and thank God for the names the good Lord has given us as we continue to celebrate the birth of John the Baptist. He is nothing, he has no other mission but to prepare the way of the Lord. Because of His graciousness, His whole life was to prepare His coming. We celebrate Christmas in June. We thank God for John the Baptist in our lives.